Sonvyra Fat Burning shorts are marketed as slimming shorts that supposedly help you burn fat, sweat more, and shape your body while wearing them. But the real question is, do they actually work, or are they just another overhyped fitness product? Now, to be fair, compression and sweat-enhancing clothing can temporarily change how your body looks and may increase sweating during workouts. What it does well, compression effect may smooth appearance. These kinds of shorts can make the waist, thighs, or stomach look slightly slimmer while wearing them. May increase sweating during exercise. The material is often designed to trap heat, which can make you sweat more during workouts or daily activity. Where it falls short, does not directly burn fat. This is the biggest issue. Sweating more does not equal fat loss. Most of the weight lost through sweating is just temporary water weight. No strong scientific evidence. There is no reliable clinical evidence proving that Sonvyra Fat Burning shorts can specifically melt fat or create permanent weight loss on their own. Results are usually temporary. Any slimmer appearance often disappears once the shorts come off or after rehydrating. So, do Sonvyra Fat Burning shorts actually work? Sonvyra Fat Burning shorts may help you sweat more and create a temporary slimming effect, but they are not a magic fat loss solution. Real fat loss still depends on calorie deficit, exercise, sleep, and long-term habits. Final verdict. Sonvyra Fat Burning shorts equal temporary shaping and sweating, not real fat burning. If you want workout support or a smoother appearance, they may be fine. But if you expect permanent fat loss just from wearing them, the science does not support those claims. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.